and this one's just for fun. This is, I wrote this for a friend of mine named Messenger Salah, and hopefully it's going on to his album next month. It's a reggae song. It is the layer on the top that is always where the buck stops. The labors of you and me make commercial goods flow free. But when controls are set by men, when no exploitation is forbidden, make living on earth impossible, then it becomes criminal. Back through time it has always been so, from Julius Caesar to the Alamo. The soldier's sword defeats the farmer's hoe, from Vatican smoke to the UFO. We hear the Romans, the Mongols, the Vikings and the Huns found it easier to send their sons murdering across the world in search of plunder. It's a criminal planet, pretending to democracy, run by corporations, acting like gang families, instruments of slavery, disguised as economy. CIA merchants with their guns threaten oblivion and megatons. Spontaneous movements flow from their slush funds, making profits from cost overruns, buying up media just for fun, toasting each other in cummerbunds. They are crushing remains of defiant ones, and it is criminal. The corporation is the new warlord, unleashing prophets who brandish the sword, lining up robots with the broadcast word, spending resources we cannot afford. They're thinking up new forms of slavery. They're thinking up new ways to exploit our pains. They're thinking up new ways to distract our minds. They're thinking up new ways to drive us down. You don't need soldiers when you buy the government. You get this soul just when you buy the government. You even get the profits to pay for it when you buy the government. They are beating the bushes for profit. They are beating the bushes for profit. They are beating the bushes for profit. There are no rights. There are no rights. There are no rights.